okay, it's like, so can I buy it? They're like, yeah. And they'll tell me. But most other suppliers, they get suspicious if you like ask about inventory. Like I just contacted Bass Pro Shops, which is a big outdoor company. And then I asked them like about a product, and I was like, how many do you have in stock? And they're like, actually, we can't give that to you. So basically what I found is I don't list inventory. I just usually every listing I do, I just list 10. That's what I would list 10. And then basically if somebody orders it, if somebody orders a product and I go to fill it and my supplier doesn't have it in stock, I can look real quick, see if another supplier does, and if I can still make a profit. If not, originally I was kind of like, that was kind of my biggest fears of like, okay, what do I do? Because if I cancel it, as you know, like it hurts my metrics.
Yeah.
So there's a way around it. So there's two ways. So I found my first way is I email them and I say like, hey, upon shipping this,